Want to run powerful AI models on your own machine, no cloud, no latency, no data leak? Smash that like button and let's explore two frontrunners, LM Studio and Ollama. One gives you a polished GUI, the other offers terminal level flexibility. Which one clicks with your workflow? Let's dive in. Here's the fast breakdown. LM Studio is a GUI first app that lets you discover, download, and chat with local LLMs via an interface, click buttons, slide GPU toggles, no terminal needed. Ollama started CLI first, type commands like Ollama run Llama 3 and now adds an official Windows GUI too. LM Studio is plug and play. It has model discovery, download, and chat all inside one app, ideal for beginners and laptop users. Ollama remains terminal first, though the new GUI eases entry barriers. Still, advanced workflows favor its CLI. Performance and hardware? LM Studio shines on systems with integrated GPUs like Intel or AMD iGPUs. Thanks to Vulkan GPU offloading, it can outperform CPU-only setups on mini PCs and laptops. Ollama, while efficient, can struggle on integrated GPUs and doesn't officially support iGPU offloading on Windows, defaults to slower CPU-only mode unless you add GPU power, developer integration, and flexibility. Ollama excels in scriptability, automation, and back-end integration. Developers can incorporate it into apps using its API or CLI workflows. LM Studio is more about interactive use, perfect for experimentation and quick model testing, but less ideal for pipelines unless you tap into its API. Performance edge. For single-user local performance, LM Studio with its MLX engine can be faster. Ollama pulls ahead when handling concurrent requests due to its efficient queuing and batching. Community reviews. LM Studio brings the whole package with a UI. It's one of the easiest ways to run MLX models on macOS, though yes, it's a bit bloated. Another user shared insight into model availability. LM Studio offers broader model selection since it integrates MLX and GGUF formats easily. Ollama can import them too, but you'll need to hunt them down and pull via CLI. Here's your takeaway. Choose LM Studio if you value a clean GUI, simple model downloads, integrated GPU use on a laptop or mini PC. It's beginner-friendly and efficient for offline workflows. Choose Ollama if you're a developer, power user, or researcher comfortable scripting, building backend systems, or maximizing throughput with batch processing. Ultimately, both are fantastic. Start with LM Studio if you're unsure, but keep Ollama in your toolkit for when your projects scale or need automation.